Hello, to enable USB debugging on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, go all the way down, go into additional settings right here, and all the way down again we have developer options. In case you don't have the developer options right here, let me show you how to enable them. Let's go all the way up, back, go into the about phone right here, and go into the OS version. I believe you have to, yes, this one you have to press it a couple of times and you will be notified that you are already in a developer mode. So you can go back all the way down again, additional settings, all the way down, developer options right here, and you have to go a little bit down right here. You have debugging options, and here is the USB debugging. We simply have to enable with this switcher. I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possibilities, consequences voluntary, and we simply have to wait 10 seconds to enable it, and that's it. That's how to enable USB debugging. Thank you for watching.